ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ ዛሬ area of sector የሚለውን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ let us see together in any case if I have any sector means some part of the circle area of the sector is equal to pi r square sum theta since it takes some part of the circle divided by 360 degree ለምን አንድ circle measure የሚያደርገው 360 degree ስለሆነ complete revolution if we take some part of the circle የምንወስድ ከሆነ we take area of the circle pi r square ነው then that theta divided by 360 degrees since theta indicates some part of the circle that we have. So we apply such formula to find area of sector. But for our purpose, as we are familiar that if we take this is the larger radius, let it be this is capital R, let it be the smaller one from this to this. Let's take since this is the center or let's say this is smaller. So how can we find area of this sector which is shaded with green color? Area of shaded region becomes pi r square, the capital R, minus pi, the smaller r square. This is circle, but since it is some part of circle in sector, it is theta divided by 360 degrees. What is common now? We have common pi and theta. So this becomes pi times capital R square minus smaller r square times theta over 360 degrees. This is the area of the shaded region. Now we apply this formula to find the area of the shaded region. That means between the two sectors. Now let's come to for our problem. It says that the shaded area is given at 18 pi centimeter square. And if the radius of the larger circle is 12 centimeter, that means our capital R is equals, let it be, this is 12 centimeter. As we said before, this is distance from this to this. Let it be, this is O. This is capital R is equals 12 centimeter. Let's take this is the smaller radius. Let it be from to this. This is let it be smaller R. What about small r? That means the radius of the smaller one is that is 8 centimeter. Now we ask her to find the measure of the central angle that is theta. Therefore, we are familiar that we say that area of this sector, particularly this is shaded region is equals to, we said pi capital R square minus smaller r square times theta over 360 degree. We have this one. We can substitute these values. This is equals pi times capital R square means that is 12 centimeter square. This square minus 8 centimeter square times this is theta over 360 degree. Here. Now this area of sector which is shaded region with green color, but green color shaded again we have what? That is 18 pi centimeter square is equals to pi times 12 square means 144 minus 8 square means that is 64 then times theta here is centimeter square over the here is 360 degree. We cancel here centimeter square by centimeter square. We cancel pi by pi. What remains which is equals to 18 is equals to 144 minus 64. 4 minus 4 that is 0. 40 minus 6 that is 8 over 360 degree times here is theta. Now we cancel here 0 by 0. Here is by 4 it is 2. This is by 4 it is 9. Again this is by 2 1. This is by 2 it becomes what? 9. So what is theta? Theta is equals to 9 times 9 that is equals 81 degree. Thetaችን 81 degree ይሆናል ማለት ምንድነው? If first we express what area of shaded region, particularly this by forming what sector formula apply እናደርግ. Area of sector is pi r squared theta over 360 degree ስለሆነ but this area is obtained between the two sectors ስለሆነ በሁለቱ ሴክተሮች መካከል ያለ area ስለሆነ we take the difference between the area of the sector of the larger one minus the area of the sector of the smaller one እንወስዳለን ማለት. So it becomes such form ሲሆን after that we try to simplify and obtain that theta. thetaችን እናገኛለን. we call this is central angle እንለዋለን. then theta is equals 81 degree ይሆናል ማለት። ስለዚህ ማንኛውም ጥያቄ ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎችን በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ማንኛውም ማስተያየት ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። በተመሳሳይ ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችን ይዘን እንመጣለን። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ባይ ባይ።